Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 1 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how you can format text in MS Word. Formatting is all about adding visual touches to a document to make it easier to read and look more appealing. So, let's see how we can do this. So, here is this random text written on my Word file. Now, let's say I want to change the way this font looks, so I can change this by first selecting this with the help of mouse left click. Then, just go to this font tab on the home ribbon, and just select whichever font I like this. Now, I want to increase its size. I can do that by just going to the adjacent tab and select the size I want, or I can type it as well. There is another way to change the size by using the A options here. By using this, you can increase the size, and by using this, you can decrease it. Now, if I want to change the case, that is change it to upper or lower case, I can do that by selecting this option and selecting whichever case I want. You can make your text bold and italic by selecting these two options here. If you want to add underline under your texts, that can be done by selecting this U option. You can change the color of your texts by using this option, or if you want to add more style in your texts, you can do that by selecting the Styles option. If you want to replicate the format of any word or text to some other words, you can use the Format Painter option, where you have to first select the text whose format you want to copy, and then click on the Format Painter, and then select the text where you want to apply this format, like this, and as you can see, format has been copied. So, this is how you can format text in the Word. Thank you, hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.